Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Windows 10 computer keeps freezing randomly. So to resolve this problem you can try two methods. First one, open File Explorer. Now here click on this PC. Now right click on your C drive. Now here click on Properties. Then here click on Check. This option will check the drive for file system errors. Just click on Check. Then here click on Scan Drive. Now wait for few seconds till this process will finish. Now guys, once you're done, your drive was successfully scanned. Close it. Now second method, click on Start. Search here CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Run as administrator. Now here type this command line sfc /scan now. Or type this command and press enter. And guys, once this complete scanning, close and restart your system. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.